For my inducer is strong enough. Guys, if you didn't know, I talk about this in multiple videos, how to troubleshoot intermittent issues. Two hardest things to diagnose until you get more experience with dealing with them is intermittent issues, meaning if the unit turns off when you're not here and it turns back on when you get here, chasing ghosts. That's one pain in the tail. The second hardest thing to diagnose is compound issues. Hypothetically speaking, if you had a bad inducer motor, everything else seems to be okay, but as soon as you put a new inducer motor in, something unrelated to an inducer motor craps out next. Compound issues is hard to diagnose. I always tell guys, especially when I'm training, always take things one step at a time. Don't just